Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. My name is Martyn Lucas, otherwise known as the World Piano Man. This is my TV studio behind me, and by daytime I like to invest, trade, make money, and most importantly, bring people together and create the most honest, real YouTube channels in the world. There are two, this one and the music channel. Let's get into it. It's been a great day for opportunity. We had Black Monday, we had massive drops. The banks went down 5%, then rose up to 8% today, so huge opportunities there. Opportunities again right now. Let me share with you on the screen. Look at my Roth IRA. I've been picking up some nice discounts this afternoon on my Roth IRA with J&J and Coca-Cola. Yep, bought some more. Fantastic. Keep lowering those averages all the time until there's nowhere else to go but up. Let's get straight into our trade and let's get right down to it. If it's your very first time here, click subscribe and ring the bell. Let us know you're here. Thank you very much indeed. I see we got some guests just come in, some old names I've not seen for a while. Let me let me have a look in a second. Okay, let's bring it up on the screen. So, who was here first? Analyst raises Meta target from 325 to 325 from 275. I beg your pardon. That's just come in from Salvatore. Good afternoon. I can't verify that information. Remember, we can only verify members' information. Members' information can be verified on Discord and is checked and analysed. So if they're not a member, everyone is entitled to share their thoughts, but we don't know. We can't verify. So for those of you who've just come in who would like to be verified, you'll notice we have the highest engagement rate of any channel on YouTube when it comes to live viewers who are members. Here is the invitation to join should you wish to do so. Church, you missed a massive morning this morning with a 5-hour stream. You missed loads of great stuff this morning. Hope you get a chance to go and check it out. There's the invitation to join. If you're not yet a member, share your links on Discord, call into the show. We had a 3-way conversation today from all our top tipsters at the same time. Ali Tizro called in with Muzanella. Oh yes, the legend, the man who is Muzanella. And also we had Ed Nevius all at the same time on Discord calling in, discussing the subject of the day. Absolutely fantastic today. One of our best ever shows with our guests. Absolutely great. Thank you very much indeed. Jason Stolfer, live from Martyn Lucas Studio. It is Martyn Lucas himself. How are you, Jason Stolfer? Long time no see. How are you? The man, the myth, the legend. Yeah, I'm definitely a myth. I don't even exist, mate. Anyone here, Martin, or is it my sound? Yep, everything's coming through. You are muted, Mark. Everything is good. The sound is good. Hope you guys are back to reality this afternoon. Church, you missed such an important broadcast this morning. I cannot believe you missed it. It was a real great shame. It's quite funny as well because you said in your video, and I quote, you say here, this is Church, by the way. Church says he never misses a beat. He missed a beat this morning.
Everyone needs to check out Martyn Lucas, the day trader. Amazing guy, very honest, very open, packed with loads of information, doesn't feed into the baloney that we hear in the markets every day. Oh my gosh, we're going to only go up. We're never going to go down. Again, daily on the show, every morning, every afternoon. I make sure I don't miss a beat. The Day Trader Show with Martyn Lucas, everyone.
I'm Kurt Wooker Jr., and I am blessed to have been on The Day Trader. Please subscribe, watch everything. Martin is being really, really honest with you guys. It's a killer thing. So check him out. You can check me out at CoinGeek.com and Gorilla Pool.
There you go. He missed a beat this morning. You won't believe what happened this morning on the show. Absolutely incredible stuff. Anyway, he says, I can't tolerate crypto talk. He doesn't like his crypto Church of Logic. It's not for him. That's fair enough. Totally fair enough. I'm totally understand. That's why Ali does all my crypto work. I don't do anything myself, so I don't have to worry about it. Salvatore, Meta, and IG downsizing by 10,000 employees and closing 5,000 open roles. Focus set on higher priority projects and reducing hiring rates. I know, it's great. It's great. I'm currently out of Meta at the moment. I used to be in it, but I'm not anymore. I'm out of it at the moment. So there you go. There is my position. Okay. Let me just check a couple of settings here a minute. Just bear with me. Let me have a look at this on the screen. 6%. Okay. Interesting. Let's see what happens in a minute. Right. Let's read this. Up $15 coin on my Litecoin purchase. Nice one. We've got some Litecoin, of course, in my crypto challenge. I can't talk too much about it because it's top secret. Ali Isles is back. Ali Isles, are you going to be nice tonight? What was your? Why has your name changed from the day trader to investor? Because I am an investor more than a day trader. Absolutely, I do day trade. And you just noticed that. It's only been like that now for about 6 months. Where have you been? Ali Isles, one of our members and moderators, great friend of the family. He came on the show last night and he went, "You won't time me out." I went, "Yeah, I will." And I timed him out. And he popped up on Facebook about 10 minutes later. It was quite funny. We had a bit of fun with that, didn't we, Ali? You thought you had me this morning. All fun and games here, I tell you. Okay, what do you make of the Russians crashing into a US drone? Oh, whatever next? I saw your comment. It's just ridiculous, isn't it? It's ridiculous. Everything is just, I mean, the world makes no sense. Someone told me yesterday. Great news, Nicky Boy Gaming is just going to come in. I'm about to share some exciting news. Nicky Boy Gaming, I'm going to open up the broadcast lounge with you and you can call in because I want to talk to you. You know what about? Don't say anything in the chat. Come on into the broadcast lounge on Discord. It's now open. You remember, you can call in. Right. Someone told me yesterday who works in a school, so I quote, "If you go to school now and you what's the word I'm looking for? What's the word I'm looking for when you go to school? Identify, and you identify as a dog or a cat." Yes, you heard me correct. If you go to school and you identify yourself as a dog or a cat, the teacher, if you ask, will put down a cat litter tray. This has happened in a school in Texas. They can't refuse. If you identify as a dog or a cat and ask for a cat litter tray, they will put one down in the classroom. If I had said that when I was at school back in the early 80s, my teacher would have told me to stand in the corner with a dunce hat on my head. And if I had refused to wear my dunce hat, they would have sent me to the headmaster's office, and the headmaster would have slapped my ass with a slipper. I'm telling you now, I cannot believe, and this is from a school teacher, that children are walking into school identifying as dogs and cats, and the teachers have to put a cat litter or box or thing on the floor. Can you believe it? This is the world we live in. There's no words for it anymore. People seem to be completely lost. People seem to be able to do what the hell they like, and I cannot for the life of me understand what has gone wrong. Where has normality and sense gone? This is so far off the scale of everything. There's no words. What do you make of that? Nicky Boy Gaming is over there on Discord. I'll be with you in a minute, Nicky Boy. You take your time. We'll get into the show and I'll bring you on in a minute. Got some really exciting news. Nicky Boy Gaming, one of our members. Okay. Sounds like they did it on purpose. The Pentagon says they were dumping fuel on it and then hit it on purpose. So we've got some breaking news here that Russia has attacked an American drone. Where will this go? No way. Ali Isles. Can you believe it? No way. Yep, this is from a teacher. I tell you now, I'm not making this stuff up. It's not April the 1st. I'm telling you because I cannot believe it. Yes, I've heard this. And they wear something in their bum and they call it a tail. See? See this? 22? Have you heard this? I tell you, the world, everyone's getting confused. Normality has just gone over. Normality is just falling off a cliff. I know, would you want to be a kid at school today? Can you imagine going to school today? Just trying to learn how to, your maths. Just trying to learn about your algebra. And you've got a kid in the corner who says, I identify as a dog. And the teacher, by law, has to give them a cat litter tray. Can you believe it? This has just come from a teacher. I am not winding you up. This is not a joke. I cannot believe it. I was like, you are... No, she says, I'm telling you. Well, I would refuse. You'd have to sue me then, wouldn't you? You'd have to sue me because you're not a dog. If you go to school and say you're a dog or a cat, I turn around to you and I say to you now, you are mental. You need to go and get your brain sorted out. That's not to do with humans can choose. That's to do with you've gone mental. You need to belong in a mental studio and get your brain sorted out. Anyway, that's my opinion. I'm probably not allowed to share my opinion on that one. That's probably wrong. But there you go. I just did. So what are you going to do about it? Right. Okay. We've got opportunities presenting themselves all at the moment. We've got Nicky Boy Gaming over there on Discord. We'll be bringing him in a minute. We've got some really exciting news. Let's have a look at this. Good morning, Ali Tizro. Welcome to the show, Ali Tizro. Malk UK. Do they take a dump in the litter tray? I certainly bloody hope not. I certainly hope not. I cannot. I mean, hey, it's like living on Monty Python for real, isn't it? Evening All says, Crag, how are you? This is the last days. It is. The world's gone nuts. What really all failing as a whole in society? Well, there are still normal people around who go, are you having a laugh? No, you know that now you know what wokeness is. I have no idea what wokeness is, Martin. What is that? I'm scared to send my kid to school in 10 years. Yeah, I wouldn't. This teacher actually I'm talking about, I'm not going to name them, they actually now homeschool their kids. They don't want their kids to get to school and be involved in this nonsense. Octavia, hi Mark, I just want to thank everyone for their happy birthday wishes to my granddaughter. I cannot comment a lot on the show because I'm at work, but I'm always listening to the show. Octavia, you are very, very welcome. Very, very welcome. I sometimes wonder if the world is going mad or if I am. No, don't worry, it's not you. It's not you. If you think you're a human being, you're okay. It's only if you wake up tomorrow and go, I think I'm a cat, then it's you, okay? So just know how that works. Ali identifies as Love Island. There he is. I'm an island. I've got a little flag sticking out my head. Muzanella is here. We got some exciting news. We got Nicky Boy Gaming in Discord who's about to join us. Some really great news. You may remember an incident that happened on our show about 6 months ago. A live event that happened on our show about 6 months ago. And we've got an update for you. DR Murray, hi Martin, bring it on. Great to have you here. Hi, yeah, I know I identify as Love Island. He loves it. He's quite happy, but he knows he's mental. It's okay. Ali Isles identifies as an island. He knows he's mental. It's okay. It's okay if you know you're mental. It's fine. I'm an island. All right? I'm a glass of Coke. I identify as a glass of Coke, and I know I'm mental. That's fine. That's okay. Ali would tell the teacher he identifies as a crypto coin. That's the best one. I'll give you that one, Ali. At the church, that's good. Dow just turned negative. Yes, I know. We're all preparing for PPI in the morning. PPI in the morning. Is everybody ready for some PP in the morning? You better be. That's the name of the show. I'm all ready for the morning. I've been buying my Coca-Cola and my J&J on the way down. Got six windows open, by the way. Yep, Mike identifies as a window, and we can see straight through him. Do you know what? It's about, and he's got a pair of curtains either side of his window. And you know what I said to him the other day? I said, Mike, it's about time you pulled yourself together. Ba-boom, do you like that? The world has gone crazy. You bet the starting up a Rumble channel as backup in case you get cancelled at some stage. Hey, why do you think why do you think that we do have a backup? We already do. So here is my Twitch. Join my Twitch army right now. You need to do it right now if I get shut down. If I get shut down for being describing myself as a can of Coke. There you go. There's Twitch. You need to back up on Twitter as well. Very important to back myself up on Twitter. Why? I've no idea why, but Elon Musk will tell you it's a good reason. It's a good place to identify as a can of Coke. There you go. Does anyone here have ham radio? You don't need ham radio. You just got me. I'm a dinosaur, Ali. It's got a big long neck. The minority wants to be the norm. That's the issue. That's what it is, Ali. That's what it is. That's what it is. I am fed up with being a human being. No one notices me. No one cares that I'm a human being. No one notices me. So if I go around saying I'm a dog, I get lots more attention. And people let me get away with it. Ali, I think, is more of the norm, wants to be different at a cost. Waggy says Fortnite chills. Here he is. I'm getting through all the comments. I'm 100% mental. Perfect. It's 2023. The loonies in charge say you can be anything you like. There we go. I'm a Looney Tune. That's all, folks. Ain't looked at the stock today. Should I not? Yes, you should. Look at the stocks right now. This is my portfolio. We're going to come back to Nicky Boy Gaming in a minute. Very excited. He's probably thinking, why am I on the show here? I'm just sat in Discord by myself. When do I actually come on the show? You come on when I say you come on the show, Nicky Boy Gaming. Stay right there. You'll be on in a minute. He's looking very cool. Since he was last here, he's grown a beard. He's like Father Christmas. Or he's a bit more, in fact, he's a bit more Forrest Gump. He's a bit more, he's got the beard, he's got the hat. Honestly, when he comes on, you're going to go, oh my gosh, it's Forrest Gump. I love it. I love it. Okay, Mike who, let me nearly through. I would enjoy taking that. I'm not even going to read that out. I'm a window cleaner. He's completely clear. It's completely see-through. Okay, let's have a look. Right, we got through the comments. So here we go. This is what you need to look at right now. We got my Roth IRA going down. We've got all of that. We said this was going to happen. All right. We said this was going to happen. And of course, Mohammed Kahine's going to owe me another super chat because he said it would be green, green, green all week long. I think it will end up green, but we're red right now. But that's fine. What we're looking at is in my Roth IRA, we're looking at J&J and Coca-Cola going down in the morning, tomorrow morning, it's PPI. And it's more important than CPI today, for those of you who don't know. Very exciting. We're looking forward to it. So we're preparing for a dip before it rises again. Okay, let me bring everybody up to date. It's a quick commercial, and then we're going to be right back with Nicky Boy Gaming. Very, very exciting. He's all excited. You can see him bouncing up and down in his chair. If you could see what I could see, folks, you would know what I'm talking about. All right, okay, let's get ready to go. Bring everybody up to date with a quick commercial break. Skip the ad. Make sure you press live so you're up to date. You want to be part of it. It's very exciting. It's our fourth guest of the day. I'm overdosing you on guest today. I'm being too nice to you. See you back in 10 seconds. Here comes a commercial break. Skip it and come up to date. All right, okay, here we go. Hi, Nicky Boy, shush, don't tell anyone. It's, I'm St. Nicholas. No, definitely more like Forrest Gump. US Senate Majority Leader Schumer, Russia's Black Sea drone incident was another reckless attack by Putin and his military. Bunch of idiots. If you're watching this, Vladimir Putin, everyone in the world thinks you're an idiot. Just saying. Okay. Anyway, Lego has teamed up with Fortnite creator Epic Games to enter the metaverse market. I love it. We're gonna have Legos on the metaverse now. Fan flipping tastic. All right, let's get into our Discord now, and we're gonna go into our broadcast and bring Nicky Boy Gaming in. Now, you may remember, so make sure that you're unmuted, Nicky. You may remember about 6 months ago, we had Nicky Boy Gaming on the channel. He became a gold member of our channel. I don't know what he is right now. I don't know what he is. He might, I don't know. Don't know where he is right now. But anyway, he's a member of our channel. He's in the chat right now. He's calling himself I'm Chuckle Norris. Well, you're about to see, and I think you'll agree with me, he looks more like Forrest Gump, if I'm honest, with his hat and his beard. He came on here about 6 months ago, and he said to me, I want to get into investing. And I said, hang on a minute. Have you got any debt? Do you owe any money? He said, well, yeah, I've got all sorts of debts. And I went, well, thanks for being honest. I appreciate it. Hang on, Nicky, hold your horses a minute. Don't say anything because I've unmuted you. Don't give the game away. So I said to him, what you need to do is you need to get yourself, first of all, out of debt. Get rid of all that credit card. Get rid of all that. He said, well, I don't have unlimited funds like you. I'm not a millionaire like you. I said, I ain't got any bloody money. I'm just the same as you. And I said, just start with a plan. Pay off the credit cards. How much do you earn? How much have you got? How much you got coming in? And I said, and we worked it out live on the show. And we said 6 months from now, if you follow this plan, you will be out of debt, and then you can start investing and getting involved in the stock market. And he went, right, I'm going to do it. I said, you're going to stick to it. I said, are you going to follow the plan? He says, yeah. I said, every single week. You're not going to give me all these super chats, because I used to get lots of super chats. You remember from him? Now I get sod all. I don't know why I gave this advice. I don't know what. It's the worst advice I've ever given, because I used to get super chats for songs. Now I get nothing. Bad advice. Don't ever tell someone this advice. Just let them carry on giving you money. But no, I said, no, stop paying me any money. Stop doing this. Stop doing that. 6 months later, I can now bring him on the show, and we're going to get an update from Nicky Boy Gaming with minimum amounts of money, maximum amount of debt. I've got some news for you.
Hilarious.
Here he is. Nicky Boy Gaming is back on the show 6 months later. Nicky, what's the latest? And before you tell me, does everyone agree we've got Forrest Gump on the show? Does everyone agree? Right, Nicky, what's the state of your
Thank you, everyone.
of your situation now? Tell me. Nicky, go ahead. With minimum amounts of money, maximum amount of debt. Hang on, I think, Nicky, listen to me on Discord, not on YouTube, because you're behind the stream.
Hey, everyone.
Nicky, listen to me on Discord, not on YouTube, because it's putting you behind the stream. Hang on. We'll let him catch it up in a minute. He needs to hear this for about a minute.
Basically, I cleared my debt completely. My name, everything's all gone. Can you hear me?
Yeah, just listen to the audio on Discord, not YouTube, because you're behind the stream.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's what you're doing wrong there.
I can't hear you on Discord, though.
You should be able to. You were a minute ago. You've done before. If you listen to me on YouTube, you're all out of sync. All right? Turn your audio on Discord.
Why can't I not
We'll give him a second to work that out, and we'll come back to him, all right? All right, Nicky, we'll come back to you in a minute. If you can get your audio sorted out, you need to listen to me on Discord, because you're about a minute behind on YouTube, and that's not going to work. We'll come back to him in a minute when he's got that sorted out.
Yeah, I'm back. I'm here. I'm with you now.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Right, let me bring him back. There you go. He's back. Right, so
Sorry
Nicky, let's try that again. So 6 months later, where are you now with your debt situation?
Well, I completely cleared it. All of it.
Fantastic. Everybody, blow up the channel. Congratulations. Minimum money, maximum amount of debt, but yet he turned it around. Fantastic. We are so proud of you, mate. Nice one.
Thank you.
So,
I'll tell you, it's just felt like the whole weight lifted off my shoulder. It's like I don't have that nag anymore. Like you need to owe that money out, and it's just like gone.
that's it.
Everything behind me. It's
That's it.
felt nice actually.
Yep. It feels good, doesn't it? So now you're in a position where if you want to, you can start investing and saving. So what's your plans going forward now? What are you looking to do?
At the moment, going forward, DJ's Grill Radio is going to be some financially, so that helping me some putting some savings. I'm looking at buying a land, buying some static caravans, start renting them out on the place, and getting some more profits coming in.
Nice one.
And also, we're going to expand it later on, not in the same year, but in a couple of years later, like down the line. We're going to have a stage, open plan stage, so you can have it in indoor in the winter and outdoor in the summer. We're going to have like music festival plans going there.
Well, you might know an entertainer who can perform on that stage. You might.
Oh, I think I already got one in lined up.
Yeah, but you got to start buttering him up with super chats. Now you're a rich man again. None of this 6 months for free nonsense. Brilliant.
I'll tell you what, I'll give you a chip on that next time.
Hey, Nicky, we got to get back to the stocks, but I just wanted to have you on to congratulate you. If you look in the chat, everyone is congratulated you. You've got applauses from everybody. You've got round of applauses. Congratulations.
Thank you, everyone.
I don't want to go on too much about it, guys, but I just want to tell you, Nicky Boy Gaming had quite a bit of debt and didn't have a lot of money coming in. So it was the very hardest. He had minimum amount of income, maximum amount of debt, and he's done it. So it's not like he earns $1,000 a minute and only owe $20. It was the other way round. So congratulations, Nicky. Everyone, you got big investors here, small investors here. Everyone's congratulating you. Well done. Fantastic. And good luck with the radio. And we'll keep watching and tuning in and supporting you any way we can. Nice one, Nicky.
Thank you so much.
There you
and
go.
Thanks everyone for your support.
You're very welcome. Cheers, Nicky. See you again soon.
See you later. You take care.
How cool was that? What a great result. So proud of him that he did that and turned that around. Absolutely fantastic. Brilliant. That's what it's all about. Now he's in a position that he can do whatever he wants now. He can do whatever he wants. He can take $1 and he can invest it knowing that there's no risk. If it goes up, it goes up. If it goes down, he dollar cost averages, and he's in a good position. Fantastic, great stuff. All right, now then, tomorrow is PPI. It's a big day tomorrow. We're coming up to half an hour on the before the bell goes, and it's PPI tomorrow. That's a bigger figure than today's figure, so we'll be looking for that. We'll be on early tomorrow covering it. J&J's been going sideways. I see that as good, and I bought 2 more today. I've lowered my average, keeps lowering. I'm 8% down now. Just keep lowering all the time. In fact, lower than that. That's my brokerage. Let me go to my Roth IRA. Hang on. Here we go. Here's my main position. 5 1/3% down. There you go. Much better. Much better. Keep lowering those averages. Okay, let's read some of the comments out here. Let's have a look. This is great. I love you, Jenny. See, he was like Forrest Gump, wasn't he? 22, honestly, they are scary rubbish. Maybe they try and do it on purpose. A lot of their actions are poker games. I'm not sure what that was about. I missed it. Congratulations, says Fortnite Shields. Congratulations, Sid Arthur. He followed the plan. He just stuck to it and did it. Brilliant. Congratulations for the out of debt. Nice one, Nicky. Hell yeah. Nice one. Look at this. Everyone sharing the love. Congratulations. Flight Channel loves it. Octavio loves it. Invest in Rio. There you go. Rio. And when you start making money investing, you will learn debt is actually good when you're smart, when your money is smart. Fortnite Chills, some debt is right, but not in Nicky's situation, it wasn't. Debt is different when you have capital and you're making money from the debt. When you're in debt with liabilities, things you've already bought, shoes, t-shirts, nights out down the pub, that isn't the same sort of debt. Debt when you are accumulating to buy assets which are appreciating and you use debt to do that, that's fine. That's a completely different sort of debt. Don't get that confused. Great job. It takes a lot of discipline. Took him 6 months and he said he would do it and he did it. Bloody right. There you go. Come on the show. You get all this sort of stuff every day. All right. Where is Tom? Where is Tom? Tom's getting married, isn't he? Congratulations, Nikki. Yeah, Tom is lined up. Where is Tom? No, Tom's not. Is Tom in the chat? I don't see him. No, Tom's not there. There's no Tom here today. I sent you another picture with writing on the wall behind me. I've got a lovely picture here, by the way. You want to... Do you all want to know who Muzanella is? This morning we had Muzanella, we had Ali Tizro, and we had Ed Nevius all in the chat. Here is the wonderful Muzanella. He might happen to have a very sexy, amazing Martyn Lucas mug, the investor's mug. That's why he makes so much money. If you don't have an investor's mug, you need to look in the chat right now. You need to look in the chat right now, because right now you can get something better than a mug. You can get your very own, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Madhouse, live right now, here this afternoon. For the very first time, you can get the Martyn Lucas Investor Crystal Ball Jigsaw. Is that the best thing you could ever buy? I think everyone should have a jigsaw. Everyone needs a jigsaw in life. You can't go through life without a jigsaw. So there you go. You can get the Crystal Ball Jigsaw. Pretty good, eh? You like that, don't you? I can see you all going, ooh, fancy a bit of that. Fancy a bit of that for the kids for the birthday. I fancy a bit of that. The Grady Bunch, there you go. Let's carry on with the stocks looking right now. Here is Google. Microsoft is up 1.76. Tom can perform for you, Nicky Boy Gaming. He'll do it. Thank you very much via text. I got the picture. Did you send me another one? Did you send me another one? Let me have a look. You sent me another picture, did you? Let's have a little look. The day trade is honest, good. I like it. Look, he just sent this in. Hang on. He just sent this in live. The day trade is honest, good-natured, compassionate, and caring. Thank you very much. I think he's talking about me. I don't know. Oh, by the way, Moose, you need to catch up. I'm not the day trader anymore. I haven't been for 6 months. I don't know where you've been. Martyn Lucas Investor. You need to make sure, you need to check on the channel and see what's going on, all right? You need to see what's going on. I'm not Martyn Lucas, the day trader anymore. Got to get up to date. Okay, let's have a look. Project Freedom. Now you are going to show him how to buy and sell a type of crypto or stocks. Project Freedom. And you never know. That's not really my job though, is it? Nicky, get some Rio. There you go. Listen to Ali Isles. Great to see you back, Nicky. Yes, it is. It is possible to dollar cost average just $1 into a billion. Is it possible? Is it possible to dollar cost average just $1 into $1 billion bucks? Probably take a while, but yes, because if you can keep doubling. I think I said to somebody once, what would you rather have, $1 million or a penny that doubles every day for 30 days? I think a penny that doubles every day for 30 days is better than $1 million. So there you go. Anyway, is it possible? So it probably is. Thank you, Craig. Hi, everyone. I'm still working on the old times. Mullen did well. Shall we go back to Mullen? Shall we have a look at Mullen? Let's have a little look. Duplicate the stream. Let's have a little look. Hang on. I don't know why I'm saying duplicate the screen. Ignore me. I'm just reading my own instructions out here. Right, Mullen Automotive. There you go. Let's bring it up. Let's have a little look. Did we make any money? Did we lose any money? We shall see in about 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go. Mullen is down 7% now. Let me have a look. Mullen on my brokerage account. Let's go to my Roth IRA. Okay, we are down 7%. Now, this is where you decide to start doubling. I'm going to double my Mullen position when it hits about $11. 11 cents, I beg your pardon. 11 cents. Mullen did well. Andrew Grady. Is that a bit of sarcasm? That's a bit of sarcasm, isn't it? Inflation rate in Argentina has surpassed 100%. Imagine that. You buy an iPhone today for $1,000 and now it's $2,000. There you go. Imagine that. Oh, hang on. No. You buy a... No. I beg your pardon. No, that's right. That's right. That's right. You buy an iPhone today for $1,000 and tomorrow it's 1,000. There you go. No, I mean when you learn and make money and invest, he will learn good debt. And when you learn and make money and invest, he will learn good debt. Oh yes, that's correct. He will. Correct. Wow, Moose, I've still got the mug you gave me. There you go. We all have. I've got one. No, I haven't got one. I had to pay for mine. Can't believe it. Hey, Martyn, how's it going today? Ale from Italy. Who you calling a mug? There you go. Where can I buy one of those beautiful investor mugs? You want an investor mug? It's right in front of you. Bloody hell, really? I can't believe it. In the chat right now. Look in the chat right now and you see my shop, right? If you don't want to buy the jigsaw, you don't have to buy a jigsaw, but you click on that and guess what happens? Guess what happens? It takes you to the shop. Look, it takes you to the whole shop. Look, unbelievable. You click on that, look, and it goes over here. There you go. There's my shop. Look, and there's a jigsaw. Look at that. You go, hang on a minute. I don't want a jigsaw. I want a mug. I don't want a mug. I want a beer mug. I want a T-shirt. Hang on a minute. I want other things. I want other stuff. Let me explore. Oh, hang on a minute. I can get a T-shirt to match. No, hang on a minute. I got my girlfriend. She would love those leggings. See, that's how it goes. Unbelievable. How do I get one of those? Flipping out. How many times have I got to say these things? That's a good idea. Hi, good afternoon, Paddy. Oh, wow. There you go. You giving mugs away? No, I'm not giving mugs away. Look at the other picture with the writing on the wall behind me. About you. I just did that. You're behind the stream. You're behind the stream. I've already done it. Muzanella, you're behind. I've already shown this. You just wanted me to show it twice. I've already shown it. Don't. I've done it already. That's twice for you now. Just because you're a gold member. When stocks are red, build the crystal ball. When stocks are red, build the crystal ball. Paddy, hi Nikki, great to have you here. Very busy. Yeah, you're very busy annoying me, coming on telling me to show the picture twice. That's what you're doing. What's up, Nicky Boy Gaming? How you been? Scroll to the bottom. Okay, make 2.5% on 1,000 every day for 500 days and you have about 10 million. I'm glad you did the maths there, 22. I would never have done that. Thank you very much indeed. 0.01 doubles for a month. There you go. Ali Tizro's done the maths as well. We've got competing mathematicians here working out who's the best at maths. I like it. I like it. All right, we've got a major problem right now. It's a major catastrophe. My channel is starting to sort of go viral. Oh, yeah, we are. We're getting bigger and bigger every day. But some of you just are not playing the game. I'm going to put a 1 minute on the clock. 1 minute on the clock. We got 35 watching and 18 likes. That's half of you are falling asleep. So I'm not having it. Here we go. 35 watching live right now. 33 because 2 thought sod it. I'm sick of this. 33 watching live and only 18 likes. If we get 100 likes during the show, I'll give a $10 cash prize away. If not, I won't. But it'd be really nice if you could like the video. It helps it grow and help the channel grow. 32 watching, 33 watching now, 19 likes. I want 25 likes in 20 seconds. You ready? Smash the like button. Come on, you can do it. You know you can. Smash the like. 12 seconds to go. Here we go. 19, 18, 19, 21. There you go. That's more like it. That's more like it. 21. Thank you very much. 22. There you go. That's more. It wasn't that hard, was it? Right. Mullen is going down. What are we doing with Mullen right now? So, Nikki, we had Muzanello on the show telling us to buy Mullen this morning. What's going on? Should we have him back on the show and have some words? Let me go into the broadcast lounge now and open up the broadcast lounge. Yep, it's open. If anybody wants to call in, you can. Breakfast bar. I've just been told to go into the breakfast bar by one of the members. Let me have a quick look. Breakfast bar. Let me have a quick look. Don't go away. Here we go. Breakfast bar. What's going on? And we've got Moose with his mug. Look at that. This is Mike, winner of the best. Only Paddy April and Mike are the best. Now soon, Mike, you're going to have your best mug. You're the only you've won one of these. You're the best. It's coming to you very, very soon because you are the winner of Fan of the Year of 2023. Absolutely brilliant. So you will be getting that mug soon. Anyway, that was from Muzanella. He wanted to show off his mug. Lovely stuff. Okay, let's get back to our positions right now. Let me get to the bottom of the screen, trying to get through all the comments. It gets harder and harder as we grow. Okay, we're up 0.64. We got day trader of the day. We're about to ring the bell. When I go down to about 12, I will double my position on Mullen, and that'll be it. There'll be no more. If it goes to zero, it goes to zero. That's fine. Okay, that's where we'll stop. Okay, there'll be no more from that point on. Okay, the S&P is going up. Virgin Galactic is trying to push up. Virgin Orbit 108. All the gains we lost again. Rivian is now down 20%. I said it could go to $9, and it can. It loses money every time it sells a car. That's the reality. Ali, are you going the XRP Corium airdrop a week away from a snapshot? So I will need that tomorrow. Free money. What's going on over there? Ale, what's going on, Ali? It's great to have you with us. Don't forget it. How could we forget it? You just told us it. Right, there you go. Apple. Now on Friday, folks, on Friday, the late show, the closing bell, the big show of the week, we're doing a special St. Patrick's Day festival, party, gig, whatever you want to call it. And afterwards, everything's going to be green, drinking green beer, God knows what else. And we're going to be doing a special St. Patrick's Day festival, which I can't believe I'm doing because I'm English. But I'll do anything to entertain you. I'll do anything for you. All right? That's the way it goes. McDonald's is on the way up again. Brilliant. Coca-Cola. I bought the dip this morning. Nicky Boy Gaming is back with his super chats. Now he's a millionaire. He can do super chats. There we go. And Nicky Boy Gaming, since you've been gone, it gets very, very cool now because we celebrate. We don't just do super chats anymore. We do celebrations. Are you ready? You ready for it? Here it comes. I'm going to wait for your super chat to come on the screen. I want the Virgin Galactic song. You want the Virgin Galactic song? Here's the link to it. Here's the link to the official Virgin Galactic song. It was sent to Richard Branson, Sir Richard Branson. There it is. There is the link on the screen. I'm going to give you the chat. Here it is. There's the Virgin Galactic song. Nicky Boy Gaming, you should be playing this on your radio show over and over again. It's the best song in the world. Coca-Cola, I bought the dip. Did you see? You saw me do it when I was off air. You didn't see me do it. I was off air. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Thank you very much. That was especially from Nicky Boy Gaming today, who just gave me a wonderful super chat. Thank you very much indeed. Awesome stuff. All right. He'll be in debt again with super chatting you. No, he won't. He's got it under control. You leave him alone. 22, leave him alone. If he wants to give me a super chat, he can do it. Anyway, he owes me hundreds of super chats. I gave him a plan to get out of debt. He could do 50 of those. It wouldn't matter. He'd still be out of debt. No, so worry here that, Mike. You could always try it. You may be blown away to space. Who knows, eh? What's going on? I want the Virgin Galactic song. Who is it we've got here? We've got a guest here. What part of the world are you from? Now, my prediction is I'm going to look into the crystal ball and I'm going to make a prediction. And I made it earlier on. I said to you we'd end up green. We'd have a dip in the middle of the afternoon and would end up green. Are you ready? Here's my crystal ball. Here it comes. You can get the crystal ball jigsaw now in the live chat. You ready? Turn this into a jigsaw. Oh yeah, 1 million pieces. Are we going to end up green by the end of the day? Yes, of course we are. We're going to end up green because we've just bought the dip of Coca-Cola. Absolutely right. And the bell is just around the corner. We're going to swing from it like Quasimodo. There we go. There's Coca-Cola, J&J, and this is all coming back up again. And I bought the dip this afternoon, mid-session, down here. I bought it, so my average is now down 4.96. Coca-Cola, just 0.64. I love it. It's perfect. Tomorrow is PPI. I'm buying Arrival at 0.13. He will get in debt again. No, he won't. Stop saying that. Stop saying he'll get in debt. Saying that. Good idea to save my money, wouldn't it? No. Now you've got no debt. Nikki. The next thing you need to do is give me more super chats. See, now I've got you. Now you're thinking, hang on a minute. Now you got to start giving super chats. Don't listen to these people. These are all smart investors. They don't know what they're talking about. They don't know. Wait a million. How many pieces in your puzzle? I think it's about. I don't bloody know. Just click on it. Click on the crystal ball link and have a look. Flipping heck, it's not hard, is it? Mike, pay attention. You could become a satellite around the moon. I think Patty April has been having a few drinks there. She reckons she's not identifying as a dog or a cat. She's saying Mike is a satellite. Anyway, I got to get back to business here. We got to get back to business. It's down. Mullen is down at 0.15. Don't laugh at my arrival. Trust me. AI tuning. Anybody want to get tuned up with AI? Let's have a quick look. I'm buying Arrival at 13 cents. No, you should be able to tell me. Sell me it. All right, I'll sell you it. God's sake, I can't believe I'm doing this. I'm going to sell you it. Right. Do you have a pen? Sell me this pen. Right. Okay. I'm gonna tell you right now. Product details. Only because I'm reading it. You could do this yourself. Why have I got to do this? Right. Look. It's a 500-piece puzzle, UV printed, so it doesn't fade in the sunlight. In case you were going to do a jigsaw in the sunshine. 1.88 millimeters thick. It's very, very high quality. Made from quality chipboard. This ain't rubbish. The stuff in my shop is quality, right? Comes in a triple layered premium box featuring a label preview of the artwork on the lid. Recommended for 9 ages and above. Made of chipboard. And it's there's 500 pieces. And look how good it looks. I mean, look how good it looks. Can you imagine owning one of these? And if you do buy one, oh, look at the box. Look at the box. I didn't even realise it's got a fancy box. I don't even know what's in my shop. Look, here's the fancy box. Look at the fancy box. Ooh, I'm going to buy one. Just because I want the fancy box. There you go. I tell you what, you don't get this on Netflix. You might think, hang on a minute, I'm unsubscribe and get Netflix instead. You won't get better than this. This is as good as it gets, I'm telling you. Right, okay. So the portfolio is going down now a little bit more. NASDAQ approves a 180-day extension for Mullen Automotive to meet minimum $1 price by, that is that the 3rd of August or March the 8th? It's got to be the 3rd of August. Why are you talking in English? You should be talking in American. Aren't you American, Moose? To be honest, that is sick. It is. It is, to be honest. You're thinking, hell. And Fortnite, come here a minute. Come here. Right, Fortnite. This is like the introductory price. Recommended, it should be $49.99. So I'm selling it for like $30 right now. But it's going to go up in about a week. Right? So if you want one, you need to get one now. Because in about a week, it's going to be more expensive. So as an investment, think of it as an investment. When Martyn Lucas the Investor has got 1 million subscribers, that's going to be a collector's piece. There you go. No, actually, I can't imagine owning one of those. You can give them for families at Christmas. I know. Think about it. Fancy box. Ooh, I know. Fancy box. My mum doesn't drink anything at all. On Friday, she will. On Friday, we're all drinking green beer. Look at my portfolio now. See, people should listen to me. People say, don't listen to Martyn Lucas. He doesn't know what he's talking about. Look at my portfolio. Going up again. Are you ready? There's the Roth IRA. What did I just tell you 5 minutes ago that it would rise into the close? I did my crystal ball. Live on YouTube and around the world, and no one believed me. And there's a very good chance we'll end up at $45,000 by the end of the session. We've got 9 minutes to go. 9 minutes to go. Is this mic on? Is anyone paying attention? I'm giving you great financial advice here. I don't know if anyone's paying any attention. I think Bill should buy me a puzzle. I agree. Well, Muzanella last time bought everybody mugs. Quite honestly, I don't know why Muzanella doesn't just simply buy everyone a jigsaw. Oh my gosh, I can't cope with the excitement anymore. All right, I'm just looking here to see what's rising. Okay, Mullen. I'm looking at buying some Mullen. When it hits $12, I'm going to buy it. I think, does the jigsaw come pre-made? I'm not even going to answer that. I'm here by September the 5th. September the 5th, okay. Honestly, I was thinking it must cost slot unless you make $1 million fair play. There you go. They see me rolling. It's $30 right now. It's an investment. It's a special price. It's going to go up to $49 later on in the year. So buy it now. Bill wants a drone with Martyn's face on it. I wouldn't get one of those. All I want from life is a mug for free. Will somebody buy Andrew Grady a mug? I'm getting sick of him every day coming on here saying the same thing over and over again. Not 45,000 today. You don't think so? Are you sure? Flight Channel, are you sure about that? Are you 100% sure about that? Are you sure about that? I said it would rise into the close. I got $370 to go. Are you sure about that? I'd be very careful if I was you, because remember, I'm always right. I'm always right. Okay? If I win in my horse tomorrow, one member gets a free puzzle. If I win in my horse tomorrow, one member gets a free puzzle or a mug. I love it. No comments. No Moose isn't. He said no. I'm not commenting. I've already bought everybody a mug. I've already bought. I don't need to buy everyone a jigsaw puzzle, right? I am first in line for a mug. Been banging on for weeks. He has. To be fair, he has. He's become very annoying over it. To be honest, he's become very annoying. If I'm completely honest, it's very annoying. I love you, Grady Bunch. Don't worry about it. I'm drinking Coke because I'm an owner. I'm a major shareholder in Coca-Cola, so I'm drinking more of it. So as it goes up, I can feel good about it. I love it. I bought more Coke on the dip, and it was spot on. It's nice to be right all the time, isn't it? Hey, Ale, good afternoon. Martyn, you need sunglasses with that outfit. I've got some sunglasses. Maybe on Friday. On Friday for the drinking session. I want to see this movie, Mum. When does it come out? What movie's that? I'm not giving him a mug. There's no way I'm giving him a mug. There's no way. I don't give mugs away. What do you think this is? A charity show or something? Right. Here we go. Mullen, 15 cents. The S&P is going back up. Tomorrow is PPI. That's what's happening now. People are pumping the stock to dump it in the morning. Go on. You know you want to. No, I don't. No, I really don't. 108, Virgin Orbit going sideways. Is this the bottom of Virgin Orbit? It keeps bouncing off this 108. Tesla is now up today, 450. Lucid going sideways at 4%. Nicky Boy Gaming, yeah, you can laugh all you like, mate. Apple is going up 0.98. Nicky Boy Gaming, with that $10 super chat, you can have a song on Friday. Friday night after the closing bell, it's St. Patrick's party. All right, you can have When Irish Eyes Are Smiling or Danny Boy. That's it. It's the only Irish songs I know. After that, the show's finished. It's cancelled. McDonald's is going up. Coca-Cola, all the staples are pumping right now, really quickly as well. J&J is going up. I said to you it would rise into the close. I said in the last 4 minutes I would get to $45,000. And you all said not a chance in hell. Well, I'm at $44,710. Just $290 to go. Am I going to make it? Well, we've got 4 minutes to go. Not that long to go now. Let's see how we go into the close. Don't say, is this the bottom? Don't say it. Don't say it. Too late. I've already said it. All right. I've already said it. Okay. We've got 4 minutes to go. We've had a very quiet afternoon in PPI. Just 86 come through the show. We had 1,000 this morning. Now then, the Virgin Galactic song has just gone through 1,000 views. There's the Virgin Galactic song sent to Sir Richard Branson. If you've not watched it, watch it on loop. The more money I make from that video, the more money I will spend on Virgin Galactic stock, up to $1 million. I like how I put the disclaimer in. Up to $1 million. Do you like that? Do you know the Irish song, If Your Honda Civic... I've a horse outside. Funnily enough, it's not on my top list. Right, we're down now to just, look at this now. We're down to just $250. We're down now to $220 in the last 2 minutes. Look at this. I said right on the button it would be 45,000 on the bell. Look at it go. We've got come on, everyone, will it on. We've got just $200 to go. 772. We got 3 minutes to go before the bell goes. Is it gonna happen? Look at that, $217. If I get this right, I'll become the best investor in the whole world. Because not only did I tell you it would reach $45,000 by the bell, if I do it to the penny, to the second, that makes me the greatest day trader in the history of the world ever. Right? No one can come close. Warren Buffett has got to watch this show and learn how I do it. Right, you ready? There we go. It's going up. We're getting very, very close. We're getting very, very close. 44,777. We got just 2 minutes to go. In fact, 1.5 minutes to go. Let's bring up the clock. Here we go. How close is this? Sounded like watching the horses today. Come on, come on, come on. I tell you what, you're watching this thinking, how does he do it? How does he do it? The guy's amazing. I don't know why 1 million people aren't watching this channel. No one in the history of the world could do this. No one can. No one can. There you go. It's defensive stocks closing going into the close because we've got PPI in the morning. 1 minute to go. 1 minute to go. I'm literally out of $80,000 invested now. $80,000 invested in total, give or take some change, and I'm literally $197 away. Come on, get in, come on. Who's excited? You should all be excited. By the way, I want millions of super chats if I do it. 30 seconds to go. Get in, come on. It's so bloody close, it's ridiculous. How close could you get? Broken clock is right twice a day. Not this close, it ain't. Not this close, mate. No one can get this close. 180. A broken clock is right twice a day. Not this flipping close, they don't. Right, here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, a half, a quarter. There you go. $205 away. That wasn't bad, was it? That wasn't bad. Come on. It's pretty good, right? Pretty good. Flight. Rubbish. Oh, God. I thought that was pretty good. Right on the bell. It's just given up. It was going. And I'm a failure. Never mind. It was pretty darn close. Anyway, so dang, I know, very, very close. Let's go back to the main portfolio and let's get ready for PPI. Let's look at PPI now so we all understand exactly what we want in the morning. It's why, in my opinion, the only place your money should be is in defensive stocks. Remember, defensive is the best form of attack, in my opinion. It's only my opinion. It's only how I play my portfolio. That's a nice pump, though. Indeed. Right, let's have a quick look and let's go over to PPI now. This is more important than CPI today. Okay? PPI month on month. Let me explain what it is. For those of you who don't know, maybe tomorrow 45,000. I will decide in the morning where I see the markets going. I have to sleep on it. My crystal ball only works once a day. I have to give it a rest. Okay. The producer prices. This is more important than CPI today. Producer prices, PPI. The final demand in the US increased 0.7. This is the overall inflation, 0.7 month over month in January 2023. The most in 7 months and higher than market forecast of 0.4. Goods prices jumped 1.2%, also the largest increase since rising 2.1 in June 22, led by a 6.2 surge in gasoline costs. The indexes for residential gas, diesel fuel, jet fuel, soft drinks and motor vehicles also moved higher. Conversely, prices for fresh and dried vegetables decreased 33.5%. The indexes for residual fuels and for basic organic chemicals also declined. Meanwhile, services cost edged 0.4 higher, mainly hospital outpatient care 1.4%. The index is for automobiles and automobile parts, retailing, health, beauty and optical goods retailing, portfolio management, chemicals and allied products, wholesaling and airline passenger service also moved higher. In contrast, margins for fuels and lubricants retailing fell 17.5. Now, basically what we're looking at is this. All right, this is the forecast. Producer price inflation month on month in the United States is expected to be 0.2% by the end of this quarter, according to the Trading Economics Global. If we go back a minute and you can see overall what we're looking at, PPI, here, look, right, 0.7. What we're expecting is 0.3. And what's forecast is 0.4. What's forecast is 0.4. This is good. But what we want is negative. So its inflation is still going up, but it's slowing its pace. So if we get 0.3 or 0.2 tomorrow, this will be great. But what we do want, though, is we want a minus figure. And retail sales. We want to see retail sales coming down as well. We want people spending less. That's what we want. We want to see the market cooling. So retail sales in the US expectedly jumped 3% month over month in January. But remember, it was Christmas. The biggest increase since March 21. And way above market forecast for a 1.8% rise. Not a surprise. We're coming out of COVID, Christmas, everybody's spending money, which is bad for the economy, just made everybody feel good for 5 minutes, right? It follows a 1% drop in December. Biggest rise was seen in sales at department stores, 17.5% food, blah, blah, blah. Anyway, let's go back a minute and see what the forecast is tomorrow for that. 3% retail sales. That's what we want. We want to see it. A negative figure. If we get this tomorrow, if this comes off tomorrow, we're in for a great day. We're in for a great day, and my portfolio will smash through 45,000 very, very easily. So that's tomorrow. So we're all ready for it. Are you ready? Do you have your money in hand? Nicky Boy Gaming. Do you have your money on hand? Are you ready to rock and roll? Yeah? Okay. I hope so. Let's have a quick look at our crypto, and let's have a quick look at the heat map. Let's have a look. This is our money on my ledger. This is Bitcoin alone. Bitcoin alone, 927. This has really risen in the last week or so, up 14%, as you can see. Very, very nice indeed. Let's go over to the heat map. Remember, this is 15 minutes behind. So this is the last 10 minutes into the close. You can see pretty much everything's green. Looking good. Google looking very nice. Meta exploding. Tesla doing very well. All looking quite nice there. Let's go over to our crypto challenge. I can't share the assets with you because it's an exclusive service. 1,087, up from $1,000. No stress, no risk. Not doing anything, not worrying about it, not selling anything, just holding it there, enjoying it going up. Very, very nice indeed. Okay, back to here, and we're looking at, we nearly touched 45,000. The Roth IRA has come up again, and the overall portfolio has come up again. So very nice indeed. I managed to pick up, lowered my J&J, I've lowered my Coca-Cola. I think I might be in if it settles in time for my extra dividends, so that's nice. Like 54 cents a share, something like that. So another dollar, free money. We'll take it. The S&P is up, 1% up now. Virgin Orbit is what's damaging my portfolio, but I'm not buying any more. You could scalp trade it and buy it at 106 and sell it for 110, but that's not really my main focus right now. I tried to answer this morning and I missed it. I did see you ask this question. Is Ali Tizro in the channel? Ali Tizro. We've got Andrew Grady, one of the Grady bunch. He's asking me this morning, this afternoon, this evening, wherever we are. He's asking me, what is a sandbox? We don't know. We don't know, other than a place to put my little Tonka toy when I was 5 years of age. Do you want to see me playing with a Tonka toy? You asked me about this the other day, right? You asked me about this the other day. You said, you know this sandbox thing? And I went, yeah. Right. Well, you were saying, what is it? What is a sandbox? Well, I don't have a sandbox, but what I can do is I can show you. I'm going to try and find it anyway. Just bear with me a second. I've got a picture here of me when I was in my sandbox. Not literally in my sandbox at that moment in time. However, the age of the sandbox. Does that make any sense whatsoever? Probably not. Hang on, just bear with me a second. For some reason, iPhone has jiggled around with my jiggled around with my pictures. Hang on. Here it is. Let me just get it up for you. Typical. Is it right at the bottom? I'm going to have to sort these out in a minute. Resort them. Bloody hell. Nearly there. Ah, here we go. Right at the bottom. What? I could have just gone to the bottom. Right. Okay. Here we go. Right. This was me at 18 months old, and I just literally come out of my sand pit. It was called a sand pit then, back in 1969, 1970. It was called a sand pit. Do you want to see me just coming out of the sand pit? Here we go. This is my mum's wig. I grabbed my mum's wig, or apparently, or somebody put it on my head. This is when, a few moments earlier as well, I was sat on the knee of Kenny Baker. Kenny Baker was R2-D2, was the man inside the robot. R2-D2, my godfather, so hence my name, Martyn Lucas. But this is me coming out of the sand pit just a few moments earlier, 18 months old. Can you see the resemblance? Can you see like that? See it? Can you see it? Can you see it? I bet you can. If you look closely, you can see it. Oh, my God. I'm only joking. I know what it is. You know what it is, do you? Well, why did you even ask me then? Hit the 45,000 now. No, we haven't hit the 45,000. No, we've just fallen short of it. Very, very close, though. Yeah, we're about $100 away. Virgin Orbit is taking a dive at the moment. I'm joking. I've had sand for ages. Virtual NFTs for the metaverse marketplace. Ah ha ha. Nice picture. I know. Nice picture, isn't it? Right, that's it for me. We're done. You look like a Whoopi Goldberg in Ghost. Yeah, that was it. See, she styled it on me. Right, we're all done. So what we're doing now, we are going to move into the after hours. We're going to do day trader of the day, and what we're going to do, we're about to adjust the video for day trader of the day, but also for a special members only secret live event. Secret only live event. You ready? I'm going to change it. So if you're not a member right now, you're going to be hidden behind the magic curtain. Okay, this is now a members only. Members only. Here we go. Members only. There we go. So sorry if you're not a member, but we're making it special now. Special secret club. There you go. Members only mode now. There you go. So, is everybody ready for Friday? Friday we're going to have a after hours party in the music studio, Everlink Green, and we're going to do a St. Patrick's party, and the closing bell we're drinking green shots for fun. Okay. Now then, let's see. Whoops-a-daisy, what happened there? What did I just do then? How did that happen? Oh, never mind. Not quite sure what happened there. Anyway, yes, the little lion from Wizard of Oz. Right, let's have a quick look where we're going to prepare for the morning. So for me, hopefully, there could be $1,000 in my account for the morning. Hopefully. I liquidated some assets the other day, but only $1,000 was allowed to go into my Roth IRA. I put $2,000 in. Only $1,000 because the Roth IRA on Robinhood doesn't allow for instant deposits, unlike the brokerage account does if you've got over 25 grand, or if you're a gold member as well, I think it is. So Only 1,000's in, so I'm hoping it'll be in because tomorrow could be a final drop. We are expecting one final rinse down before the bull market begins, which won't be anyway until spring, summer at the earliest. We're coming into spring now, another month away perhaps, but I'm more thinking the summer at the earliest. It's been a year and a half now of a bear market, so it's about running out of steam. We are looking for it. However, hopefully tomorrow we could get one last major drop. Let's see what happens, and I want to pick up as much as possible, because then the strategy will change. It won't be buying the bottoms anymore. Eventually, the bottoms that will be in. I'll have the lowest prices. Everything will be in my portfolio will be green at some point, and then it will be right. Okay, now what you're doing is looking for the opportunities. On the days that things fall down, you won't always get the lowest prices. Those days will come and go. That's probably maybe 3 to 6 months away, but it's coming. Rivian. I quite like Rivian at $9. Looking at it, I think at $9, but it still loses money. You can't get away from that. Remember, we've not seen any of our businesses yet that we own go bankrupt, and some will. Apple had a nice little bounce there. Amazon. McDonald's. So McDonald's, we could find an opportunity in McDonald's tomorrow. I think I'm pretty much now done with Coca-Cola, because I've got my main brokerage position of just under $2,000. My Roth IRA is, let's have a look how much that is. Another $2,000. So I got $4,000 invested with Coca-Cola. I am happy with that, and both are virtually now on a wash. Nice dividends, never intend on selling, holding forever. It's not the sort of thing you just sell, not at least for 10 years anyway. I got 700 from selling physical silver coins today. What we buying? I'll follow you for a laugh. That's what we like. That's the attitude. That's it. Sell your stuff in your house and just follow me for a laugh. Don't sell your bed. Don't sell your fridge. Don't sell the cooker. These are things that you need. Everything else you can sell, but not these things. Certain things you need, which is not far off 1,000 US. Correct. Correct. J&J, a nice bounce now. Wow, Andrew, very good. Whenever you put KO at the end, Mike, you do it a lot. Do you mean knockout? Is that what you mean? You put that a lot. I've often wondered why you put KO at the end. I should have asked you before. What does KO mean? Is it knockout? I've always wondered that. Tesco. Next Era Energy. I've got enough invested there. Got good dividends. It's still a bit of a risky stock. I've got March the 15th. Tomorrow I've got $13 coming. People are paying premiums on silver due to FUD. So I got good. Yes, it is knockout. Okay, brilliant. People are paying premiums on silver due to FUD. So I got good prices. Nice one. Everyone's selling everything. I'm selling everything in my house. I've got so much stuff I don't need. It's ridiculous. I could be selling stuff for ages. I've got 5 watches. I don't even wear a watch all day long. I don't even wear one. The only time I ever wear a watch, I put a Apple Watch on when I go swimming. That's it. I got 5 like dress watches, nice watches. Tag Heuer and all sorts. I don't need them. Anybody want to buy a watch? Anyone want to buy a watch? A Tag Heuer watch, collector's piece. Unbelievable. Don't even use it. Just sits in the drawer. Anyway, Bitcoin, 1.85 today. Till rate, 14% down. Everything is a ticker. Everything. Sell everything. Sell everything around your house. Sit in an empty space with and just own the companies of the world. Yes, Ed, LOL. Just sell everything. Just own the companies, have nothing in your house. That's the way to go. Surround yourself with assets, not liabilities. That's the way to go, isn't it? Because your house is full of liabilities, stuff that just doesn't do anything. They think World War III is coming and snapping my hand off. I've still got over 1,000 ounces, so I'll be okay. Brilliant. Brilliant. Nip round Andrew Grady's house. He's got 1,000 ounces of gold under his bed. Yeah, he lives in Logan, somewhere in Logan. Don't know exactly. Just go into the centre of a Logan and go, Grady Bunch! Do that. Just centre of a Logan, Grady Bunch! Somebody will turn around. Whoever turns around, follow him home. Follow him home. He's got 1,000 ounces of silver under his bed. Walmart. Let's have a look at Walmart. What about Walmart? What do you want to know? Timex. Yes, Mike. What about Walmart? What's the story? What's the story? Let's go. What round? Round Andrew Grady's house. Oh my God. I just want to make sure that everyone realises I don't condone the services of going around Andrew's house and knuckle under his bed. I don't condone this behaviour. Not 1,000 of gold. Silver. Only got 25 ounces of gold. Oh, I thought he meant gold. Don't bother. The raid is cancelled. The raid is cancelled. Walmart brand watch. The watches, no. Tag Hewitt. Nice watches. Nice. Anyway, not 1,000. First thing about investing in metals is we don't talk about metals. Is that right? Why is that then? You don't talk about metals. Why is that? Right. Okay, it's time to go. Time to go. We've still got everybody here. No one's leaving. No one's going. No one ever wants to leave. No one would ever leave my channel. I have to forcibly get everyone out the door. Right? Let's have your glasses, folks. Right? Time. That's it. Can we have your glasses, please? Everybody out. We've had your money. Get out. It's like that here. It's like that. Anyway, getting serious for a minute. Prepare for the morning. Have your money ready to go. We could get a lot of volatility tomorrow. Even on a great day when everything pumps, we always have opportunities of drops before or mid-session. There's always opportunities. Nothing ever goes one way and only one way. There's always ups and downs. No left and rights, I've noticed. Never left and right. Just up and down. We are flying to Andrew's house and look under my and look under and we are flying to Andrew's house and hit him with the mug. Because people come my house and look under the bed. The wife gets weird about it. People come my house and look under the bed. The wife gets weird about it. I bet she does. And after today, mate, you're going to have so many people coming round looking under your bed. It's going to get ridiculous. Bring a free mug, Mike. How many flipping more times? Right. Here we go. We're running a poll. It's official. It's official. We're running a poll. We're running a poll. This is for Andrew Grady. Right. Who's sick and tired? I love that phrase. Who's sick and tired of hearing about Andrew wanting a mug? Who's sick of it? Who's sick of it? Who reckon we should ban the subject? Who's sick and tired of hearing about Andrew wanting a mug? Yes or no? Yes? No? Couldn't care less. I'm giving you 3 options. Flipping heck. To get people out, you need to play horrible shrill music. I could do that. Don't worry about that. I'll bring my mug to hit you with Andrew with the mug. Getting a bit violent now, Mike. Get me violent. No need for that. No need for that. We're a family channel here. Family. Made for kids. Family channel. Don't need Mike. Mike, don't do that, Mike. No need for that, Mike. Let's. Where's my closed caption? I want to turn it on. See how it translates all this. Yes, it works. I thought it would. Oh my gosh. Right. Family, bye and hug to everyone. That's nice. See, that's the sort of language we want. That's the sort of language we want. We don't want all this niceness. Sorry, we don't want this unpleasantness. Mike going around and hitting someone over the head with a mug. We don't want that. What we want is Andrew Great. What we want is Paddy April. Lovely Paddy April from Italy. Family bye and hug to everyone. Flowers and cuddles and stars in the sky. That's what we need. No, he will get it soon enough because we'll get so sick of him. Somebody will give him a mug. 3 votes no. Until then, chat on, Andrew. Hang on. We got. Who's sick and tired of hearing about Andrew wanting a mug? 67% no. Only 17% are sick of it. That's me. I voted that one. That's me. I voted the sick and tired of it. Right. Well, on that note, I'm going to go. So, Mullen, in the after hours, it's 15. We'll look at that tomorrow. Oh, it's so nice to be here with the family. I'm sick of hearing about the bloody... I am sick of it. I am tired and sick of hearing about the bloody mug. Oh, it's so nice to be here with the family. Before we close this show, I'd like to learn about how this curious mug topic you got me interested. Hey, keep the mug talk. He could have bought a bloody mug. You could have bought a mug. For the money that you paid, you could have bought a mug. See, why are you going on about the blood? You could have bought a mug, right? Either way round, we've got to celebrate. I can't believe I was just about to go as well. I had enough. Where is it? Where's my celebration? Celebration. Unbelievable. I was just about to go as well. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Let's do it. Let's do the mug. There it is. Andrew Grady donated a super chat for... He could have bought a mug. I don't know what's wrong with the bloke. I don't know what's wrong with the fella. He needs to sort his life out. Get his priorities back to front. That's what his problem is. Let's have a look. Yeah, I love this. Mike's quote is the best quote of the day. I am tired and sick of hearing about the bloody mug. Before we close this show, I'd like to learn more about this curious mug topic. You got me interested. Basically, ETORO, in the chat, if you click my shop, above or below or left or right, you can get a mug. You can go to my shop, you can get a jigsaw, you can get a hat, you can get a pair of swimming trunks with my name on it. Why anyone would buy one of those, I have no idea, but it's in my shop, right? And Andrew Grady wants a mug. And he just keeps going on about it every day for no apparent reason. No one knows why he started it. People are very confused by his behaviour, but he is from a Logan. And people from a Logan, bit confused. We don't understand it. Most of the things he says, we don't understand. Because most of the things he says while drinking Karev. So we don't really understand it. Anyway. I've got a picture here. I want to share it. I don't know who this is. Who is this, by the way? Is Crag here today? Is Crag in the chat? Is Crag here? Let me see if Crag's here. Crag! Are you here, Crag? Come on in. I got a surprise. I got a surprise for Crag before I go. Is Crag still here? He better be here. He's in the chat. He's just lurking. Andrew wants to buy you a pair of undies. buy. There you go. Andrew Grady. You could get a nice pair of pants. Yeah. You want to see my... Do you want to see him? You need to do another mug competition. Crag, here he is. Here he is. Here's Crag. Crag. Here he is. Hang on. Not that. That's the perks. We don't want the perks. Here it is. Hang on. Yes, I'm here. Just putting dinner out, mate. Yeah, look. I love it. He's in his house putting the dinner out, and I'm still on the telly. Never going anywhere. Look, here's Crag. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the show around the world, live and in person. Here is Crag with his wonderful mug. He too, unlike Andrew Grady, has a mug. Oh yeah, Crag's got a mug as well. But for those of you that are interested, it just got mentioned about new pants. Yeah, you can buy your very own Martyn Lucas. Why anyone would want a pair of pants like this. Look, that's the back. Crystal ball at the back. Look at that. Look at that. Have you ever seen anything so good as this? Look at that. I mean, you can get this on Netflix. Why would anyone buy a pair of pants with my name on it? I don't know who thought of that idea. It just did it automatically. It just I suggest. It knows my audience, my demographic and geographic. It knows my audience. It knows that Ali Isles watches. That's what it is. And it said suggested products, a pair of pants, swim trunks with your name on it. People will love it. Will they? You reckon? Yeah, people will buy it. I've actually sold none. I've sold none. None. And if I have sold any, they want to remain anonymous. So I'm just saying. Pants too. It's good enough already. That would be the cherry on the cake. We don't want to see them again. We don't want to see them again. You can't. Some things you can't unsee, can you? Some things you can't unsee. Look, Crag is round with the family. Look, he's putting out dinner. Can you imagine the scene? Imagine the scene right now. Crag is in his house. This is Crag. He's in his house right now. He's got his wife over there. He's got his kids cooking dinner. They're laying it out. They're all trying to get some peace. They're all trying to have conversations about the day. What are we having for dinner, Dad? Oh, we got fish and chips tonight. Oh, lovely. Bit of tomato sauce. No sauce. Sauce. Right, all that's going on when I'm on the big screen over here, probably on mute, so they can't even hear me. I'm just talking away. Right? That's what's happening. I'm in mute. They've probably got the text, the subtitles, so they can read what I'm saying. And every time they see the word Crag pop up, they unmute it. But rewind that bit, Dad. Rewind that bit. He was talking about us. What's this about pants? Rewind. Yes, Crag is here, also named Andrew Grady. I don't know. I get the two confused. We don't want to see them again. Pants too. That's the cherry on the... I won a mug last time, Andrew. He won it. Yeah, didn't even buy it. Just won it. Send me that mug, Crag, for 1 ounce of silver. Do it, Crag. Oh my God. I bought Bill a mug. No one actually buys mugs for themselves. They just win them or give them away. I had nightmares last night about that scene you showed. Single man. Yeah. Are you? Oh, I'm sorry about that. Is that a good thing or a bad thing? I don't know if that's good or bad. Depends on it. I bought a mug just to get the crystal ball on the side. It's being manufactured. Did you, Eric B? It's being manufactured as we speak. How do you know? I manufacture the mugs. I make the mugs. And I'm telling you now, there's no mug in my kiln right now. There's nothing. There's no mugs being made here at Ranch Lucas. No mugs. Are you sure you got your order in? I don't see any mugs being made anywhere. I wish you were in mute. Yeah. Ali Isles. We just talked about Ali Isles. These, I reckon you'd love these pants. These are my swim trunks. Look at this. The crystal ball swim trunks. Look at that. Look at that. I bet you'd love this. I bet you'd love this. It was suggested from my supplier. We know who your audience is. We know who your demographics are. We recommend strongly that you sell some of these. And guess what? They also come in black. Look at this. Yeah. See that? Have you ever seen anything like it? See? Look at that. And that opens out. As it opens, as you open your legs out, you can see the whole thing. I don't sound right. You get what I'm saying, right? You get what I'm saying. Oh God, Martyn. In all seriousness, it's been a fun day. Great enthusiasm for you. Thanks for being in my life, Andrew Grady. All seriousness, mate. Don't come on here and be all seriousness with me. Yeah, seriously. It has been great, but I'm going to go because I'm bloody tired. I've been going all day. I haven't made any videos. No, I love my mug. It's priceless, Andrew. I'm the real Andrew Grady. I don't know who anybody is anymore. I thought Craig was Andrew, and I don't know. Martyn, in all seriousness, it's been a fun day. Great enthusiasm from you. Thanks for being in my life. Just vomited. That's fine. My mugs are being fossilized to help keep for the family to come. There you go. I don't wear pants. I don't want to know what you don't wear pants. Spring, Martyn, a green one. I know you've ordered it. Do you think I don't know? Do you think I don't know? I know when you order things. Look, this is what happens when you order things. Look, over here on the Discord channel, has anybody ever noticed this? There's one channel dedicated to you guys buying stuff. Look, where is it? It's in... Stock tips, competitions. Oh, no, eBay shop. No, it's not there. Oh, merchandise. It's in this channel here. Look. That was... There you go. See? When someone buys something, it comes up and says, anonymous bought a mug. We don't know who bought it. So somebody bought a green mug. So that was you. All right? That was you, Eric B. Before that, someone bought a mug. Who was that? Before that, someone bought a crystal ball and a crystal ball t-shirt. Who was that? Who bought this? Who bought this? Before that, another mug. Somebody bought On Tour in Newquay. Who was that? Somebody bought the anniversary mug, the black mug. There you go. That's since we started that. So we know. So tomorrow morning, I want to see in here a pair of pants. And we can guess who bought them. And a jigsaw. I want to see a pair of pants in black. Not white ones. Don't buy the white. Don't buy the white ones. The black ones. I want to see the black ones in here. And I also want to see the jigsaw. And then we can all guess who bought it. All right? If the pants go, we know who bought it. We'll all know. It'll be Ali Isles. If anyone has the pants, it'll be Ali Isles. All right? That's it from me. Day trader of the day. Here we go. We're going to finish right now. Let's bring everybody up to date. Skip the commercial break. Day trader of the day. I'm going to get out of here. Here we go. So I am up 1.32%. We're going to run the credits 1 minute from now. I love to support the channel, Martyn. Thank you so much indeed. I appreciate that, Eric B. Here we go. I've lost me timers. Where's me timer? Here we go. Up 1.32. But the black will bleach out. No, it won't. It's quality products. Quality products. I'll buy the white one. I don't care. Buy any colour you like. It doesn't matter. I'm not wearing it. You bloody hell. And wash it. You don't want to wear black. No, it's swim trunks. It's swim trunks. So what do you call it? UV chlorine protection. I don't know. Don't wash them, Mike. Yeah. That's what you got to do. 30 seconds to go. Let's get out of here. Oh, what a way to spend your life, innit? What a way to spend your life. 141 PPI tomorrow. 12 seconds. Am I the only one? Am I the only one? What's going on? I can't be the only person to have a score today. Up. Oh my gosh. I thought I was going to win. Eric B has come in. Andrew Grady's got no idea. I don't know how Andrew Grady gets through the day, if I'm honest. I don't know how he gets through the day. I'm going to bleach. I'm going to bleach it. What, you want to buy the black ones and then bleach them? What's the point of that? I can sell you some seconds if you want. Half price seconds. You didn't read my comment. Did I miss the comment? Why don't you just say it again? I only came across you because I was looking for hot, sexy men on YouTube. That's why you need the pants. This is why Spring suggested to me you need to sell pants with your name on it. This is why it did it. This is why it did it. It knows who watches my channel and goes, you need to sell a pair of pants with your name on it. And I went, all right then. If this is what I need to do, I'll do it. And it's what I did. Water dancing trunks. Yes, water dancing trunks. Where's all the scores? Up 4.12. I read your comment. To match yours, Martyn. Yes, very good. Are you off to water dancing now? No, I don't have any fancy Martyn Lucas Investor Channel pants. Unfortunately, I can't afford those. They're for you guys with all the money. I can't afford those. All right. Okay, I'm done. No more scores. The winner is without a shadow of a doubt Eric B. Eric B stole the show. I'm going to give it to him because time's up. You're all too late. Thank you for your trades. Give him a thumbs up, and here's the round of applause. There you go. Right, Martyn has seriously lost it for sure. Poor Leah. Yeah, you got no idea. Leah struggles with all this. She thinks, I just don't know where my life's gone. This studio where I am now was supposed to be a little reading lounge. That's what she hoped. I'm at 44,807. It's going up again. Very, very close again. Starting to move again. Anyway, that's it for me. I'm getting out of here. Poor old Leah. She's sick of it. She just can't live with it anymore. Right, here we go. I'll see you back in the morning preparing for Friday's show when we all drink green beer and stuff like that. All right? Okay. Let's roll the credits. Let's get out of here. He's the only one who posted the QQQ day trade. He's the only one. No one else can be bothered. Nicky Boy Gaming Channel. Congratulations on Nicky Boy Gaming. This was the day when Nicky Boy Gaming became a gazillionaire. And he's a gazillionaire in my opinion because he's got no debt. The dollar in his pocket is his own. If he owns $1 today, it's his own. If you've got debt, the dollar in your pocket means absolutely nothing because it belongs to somebody else. If you've got no debt and you have $1, you're a rich man because you have more money than 95% of the people of the world. That's a fact. If you go and look at the global economy, 95% of the world, you are richer than if you have running water, electricity, education, and any basic standard of life. You're 95% richer than everybody else anyway. Super chats, Nicky Boy Gaming Channel. Thank you very much indeed. Andrew Grady, thanks to all of you. Bar says Mike. Mike, I've no idea what bar means. Wait, talk about mugs some more. Right, is 9 hours not enough? 9 hours of talking about mugs not enough for you? Well, I'm sorry, but that's all you're getting. 9 hours of talking about mugs is all you're getting. That's it from me. Have a lovely day. Have a lovely night. Have a lovely life if you never come here again. Have a great life. If I never see you again, if this is the last time you watch the show, have a good life. It won't be anywhere near as good without me in it. Until then, see you in the morning. Take care of yourselves. Buy yourself some trunks. I want to see it pop up on the Discord and keep watching the music. Take care of yourselves and each other. Bye-bye for now.